Okay, we're ready for our first day for the Philippines Japanese Film Festival.
Hello po! Konnichiwa! Dumalo si Vice para i-represent ang kanyang mga pelikulang, Call Me Mother, at And the Breadwinner Is, na kabilang sa mga itatampok sa nasabing festival. Ang Call Me Mother, pa nga ang napiling opening film ng event. Bukod sa trabaho, may personal na misyon din si Vice kasama ang kanyang partner na si Ayon Perez, ang mabisita ang viral na unggoy na si Punch sa Ichikawa City Zoo, at kahapon lamang ay natupad ito at makikitang nakisabayan si Vice at Ayon sa mga ibang netizens na gusto ding makita ang naturang nag-viral na si Punch. Matagumpay niyang nakita si Punch at nag-post pa ng update sa social media na maayos ang kalagayan ng internet sensation. Kasama rin ni Vice sa Japan ang director na si June Robles Lana para sa mga film screening at talkbacks.
Okay, we're ready for our first day for the Philippines Japanese Film Festival. See you later, Bambi. Hindi pala si Bambi, si Twinkle pala today. Bukas pa pala ipapalabas si Bambi. Si Twinkle muna tayo. Call Me Mother Day. Okay, let's do this. Team Philippines.
Hello po! Konnichiwa!
와, 스고이! 바이스! maganda! Wow!
Ang ilaw. Luisa.
Masumi? Masumi? Where's the seat for Vice Ganda? And director? In front of date. Hi! Hi!
After the movie.
Later na lang po. Start na daw po yung movie. Thank you. Later na lang po, ma'am.
Hi, bye!
Dinayo ka namin. Dinayo ka namin.
June Robles Lana Festival. Ito nyo din. At nabigyan din namin ng magandang pagtalakay yung kung paano natin itinuturing ang pamilya natin sa Pilipinas bilang mga Pilipino. And I also want to say thank you very much to all the Japanese people who are here who have given us the chance and the opportunity to showcase Filipino talent and the beauty of Filipino movies. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Dress up.
Nagkiraan pala kami.
First time kasi na. Kasi private event kami dati. May
Meron din.
festival dati.
Reason for the mga kababayan natin. Basta yung magdalaw mo pala kay Punch.
So, yung malaman na kung paano kaya naging role na yung mother, bilang mother, as mother. So, how did you make, your role for this movie?
Okay, in the recent years, I have been portraying a lot of roles already. I've been a brother, a son, I have been in the military, but this is the very first time that I was able to portray the role of a mother. So Direct June Robeslana has been figuring out a new concept for me, and he absolutely thought that as a mother it would best fit me, and so we did that character for this movie, and it was a very life-changing experience for me, because in the Philippines, I usually call my fans and my supporters my little ponies, and they call me back their mother horse. I am their mother horse, and fortunately, I have been treated and considered by a lot of Filipinos as their meme or as their mother. And so it is a very rewarding and life-changing experience for me to be able to portray the role of a mother in this movie. And thanks to Direct June Robeslana.